Hi, my name is Chandra Sharat and my register number is UR15CS356. So the aim of this experiment is to create a web page with a header and a banner along with three divisions and also a footer. So let's see how it's done. Okay, so in the body part, I've given the heading with the font face as well as in the calligraphy, and that is in the header. Next, I have used a navigation bar. I've created a navigation bar with three links so that they would come next to the heading. Next, in the division, I've created three divisions and I've assigned an ID for each one of them. And there's a fourth division which will come below the three divisions that have already been created with the heading, signature, orders and catering. And these also have their unique ID. And then finally we have the footer in which the address is displayed. Now we can see the styling. Okay, so in the styling, now initially I've assigned margin as 0 and I've assigned box sizing with the border box for the entire web page, and for the header I've assigned the background color and also the color of the text as white, and I've aligned the text to the center. Next is the navigation bar. The navigation bar I've assigned a color, a linear gradient, so that I have multiple colors. So you can see the color varies from left to right with all the different colors. Next is the list, unordered list. I've assigned the margin as 0 and padding 0, and overflow is hidden. Next is the list of items. I've assigned the margin as -2 pixels and the display is in line block so that they would follow one another in a horizontal way, and I've assigned the width and height along with the text align as center. And each of these are displayed in block and there are no text decorations. The color I've assigned for the text is black with the width and height, and when the mouse is hovered over the unordered list, the background color changes, and the background color changes to it, and also the color of the text changes as well. Next is for the ID 1. The ID 1 was given to the division 1, the first division. So the height is assigned as 500 pixels, that is the size of the image, and also the width, and it is floating to the left side. The background image is also assigned, which I've assigned on the side route here. The background size is cover, so that it will become a banner, and the border is also given along with the position as relative. The tool is the same thing is repeated for second and third images, so that they seem to be the same, but they're floated to the left, and the width is also varying so that it covers the entire web page, and the rest of the properties are similar. Next is another paragraph where the position is absolute and the text align is center, and the background color is also assigned. And the fourth ID is below the three divisions, that is fourth division. The height and the width is assigned, and it is floating to the left. The position is also relative. Border and background color are assigned simultaneously, and the same goes for the fifth one. This is next to the signature order, that is the fourth ID, and the same properties are assigned to it. And the paragraph written within the fourth ID is given as a position absolute with the width and text aligned to the left, and the border as well. The same goes for the fifth paragraph as well with the same properties. Next is the heading. The heading is given aligned to the center, and the border is size is 4 pixels. And same goes for the heading for the fifth division as well. Next is the footer. The text is aligned to the center. It comes below the divisions 4 and 5. The background color is given as pink and the font style is italic. When I run this code, yeah, so this is my web page. As you can see, the recipe is this is the heading, this is a header, and this is a menu where when I hover over the menu, the color changes along with the text size, text color, and these are links, and this is my banner with the image assigned to it, and these are the divisions, that is 1, 2 and 3 divisions that are assigned from that are floating from right and to left, and these are my other divisions 4 and 5, and this is my footer where the value is given, I mean the this thing is assigned. So this is my experiment, and thank you.